This one just arrived now. So what I'm doing is because I want us to see how things are working and they know why our government needs to do more to make sure things work over there. They all come here to see what is happening here. They go back, they are comfortable with what we have there. That is the most annoying part of it. They come here, they see what is going on. They go there, they do the opposite. But just for you to have entertainment this afternoon, we are not fighting anybody, we are taking it the way it is. Where is it going to? The train is going to, okay, this switch, Nourish. Yeah.